What is up, my dear friends? In this video I would like to share with you how to install the wind deflectors when live specially, and this is how it looks like. And we only spent $10 for those wind deflectors. Very cheap, very easy, very reliable. You can do it yourself. I'm going to share how it was. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell. You won't miss any videos. First, we need to clean the surfaces, make sure there's no dirt or any grease, and I'm using just isopropyl rubbing alcohol and wipe both mating surfaces. Make sure everything's clean because it's essential. Make sure wind deflector will stay long time and won't start peeling off. Clean wind deflector itself. 2 of them we got for $10 from local picking pool, and that's money saver, and they're in perfect shape. It looks like a brand new, and as I said, it's so simple, so easy. Just follow those simple steps and you will be able to do it at home. And before we're going any further, let's check the fitment of the wind deflector. Make sure it fits perfectly how it's supposed to be, and pay attention to that small slot where it sits over the rubber little bump on a weather seal, and look at the bottom, make sure it's aligned, and remember how it's supposed to be before you apply the tape. As you can see, it's there, and align the front and see the fitment of the top part, and remember how it should go before you apply the tape. Yeah, pretty much straightforward. And this is a Gorilla tape, two-sided tape, double-sided, whatever you call it, and start applying the tape to the wind deflectors. And as you can see, it's pretty easy, pretty simple, and apply it to all that inner part where it will be in contact with the window. Pretty simple. Again, yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions, please ask down below. And yeah, if it will help someone, it will be awesome. Just trying to share, and might be one day it will become helpful to someone and make the life a little bit better. Okay, peel that protective film off from the tape, and we're getting ready to almost install our wind deflector. Especially for guys who's doing the van life, you know how wind can be noisy. This is the way to go. Okay, place the wind deflector in contact at the upper part. As you can see, I'm aligning at the top, not touching a door itself with the tape. Make sure I'm in the correct spot on the bottom, and align along the edge, and check that little bump, and at the top part make sure it's in place. Yeah, and especially if you like to camp, like to stay in a van, and you know you need to keep your window cracked, doesn't matter how cold it is, to let fresh air in, and you don't want to get any rain get inside with the air itself. That wind deflector is essential. You should have, it's a crucial thing. And as I said, as wind itself, when you drive, you can crack the window down a little bit and it will stay quiet. $5 each. I think it's a great deal. You cannot beat that price. Yeah, look at that, shiny, and check the result. Good fitment, everything's intact. It took us like 10 minutes. On the video is less, but with all those preps, it's like nothing, 10-15 minutes and you're good to go, and change the feeling how your vehicle will sound like. Check it again, nice and clean fit. And yeah, if you know someone who might need the advice, help that, and share this video. And please subscribe to the channel. This is my hobby YouTube channel. I'm doing just because I like to do things on cars and sharing with all of us. And yeah, stay tuned. And now just another little thing, clean that $5 tag mark and now it looks like it came brand new, and they're really like brand new, no scratches, no dents. Thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel. Please go and watch more videos. This one on the top, that's on the bottom, and click the subscribe button and subscribe. And see you guys soon. Stay safe, take care, and yeah, bye bye now.